Hello guys! Bagong tayo ako sa kama. It's already 10:30 in the morning. Pero nagtrabaho na ako. Kahit nakahiga, pwedeng magtrabaho. Sa totoo lang, ang ganda ng business kasi. Kahit nasaan ka, nakahiga ka, basta't hawak mo ang iyong phone. Panalong-panalo ka na. Pag tayo ko ng kama, di ba kahapon, I got so much checks in the mail. So I'm gonna try to open each one para maramdaman mo naman nating lahat kung gaano kasarap ang kagigising mo lang at may dumating na grasya. Blessing to. Napakaganda ng business na ito talaga. You work, we don't have to do it every day. You don't have to do your daily grind. Don't have to drive around. Buksan ko na. This is a lot! Oh my gosh! 4 digits, guys! 4 digits! Okay? Pwede na itong ipangbayad ng 2 linggo sa bahay namin. 2 linggo na yan sa bahay namin. That's big, guys! Ilang ano kaya yan? Ilang kaya yan sa isang clinical lab? Wow! Parang ano na, no? 14 hours ko sa trabaho. Sa dati kong career. Ang laki nun Very nice. Okay, this is worth... Oh my gosh! 4 digits. Kulang na lang ng konti makabayad na to ng bahay. Last, guys. Last na. Last. I'm adding all of them. Okay? Ito ang... Ewan ko kung kita nyo. Okay, 4 digits. I just got out of bed. I don't go to work every day. I do my side hustle, I call it. Using a phone, using a laptop when I have virtual meetings. And I train the community, a global community from different countries. And also a Wi-Fi connection, definitely. So I will be on travels in the next few months, days muna, malapit na. And then few months after that, so full na ang 2026, guys. Ito ang buhay na ipinagpalit ko sa aking pagiging clinical lab scientist. 31 years, 4 years bachelor's kong tinapos, nag-internship pa ako. Nagpupuyat ako dahil sa third shift. Pero nangihina ng katawan ko. I have a lot of health issues. So I'm taking care of them now. Pero ito ang naging resulta nang nakita ko ang business na ito. Come to my website. Ito wag niyong sayangin. www.jennyjnniedigitalworld.com. Saan ka nakakita ng gantong kalaki? Sa isang iglap. Siguro kung ilan ang ipinasok kong hours dito, baka wala pang 3 hours, guys. 4,311. Bye guys, this is Coach Jenny and see you again next time.